Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down under settings and support. We can tap on settings and privacy. Here we scroll down again and tap on privacy and safety. And here we find content you see. If we tap on this, we find this little button at the top, which says display media that may contain sensitive content. By tapping this, we enable the Axe app to show us posts that may be considered sensitive by some people. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.